in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for the following areas: in southeast North Carolina, Bladen. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in central South Carolina, Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, northeastern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 4 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located in the warning, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Banning, Brookdale, St. Matthews, Somerton, Eastover, Ellery, Congaree National Park, Alcoa, Santee State Park, Santee Cooper Regional Airport, Gadsden, Poinsett State Park, Santee, Pinewood, Cameron, Utoville, Paxville, Vance, Poplar Creek Landing, and Rimini. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 131 and 149. Interstate 95 between mile markers 93 and 128. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, west central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina, until 4 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gateway to 7 miles east of King Street, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include King Street, Horry, Johnsonville, Hemingway, Rems, Adrian, PD Crossroads, Poston, Britton's Neck, Nesmith, Indiantown, Rains, Dongola, Outland, Gresham, Morrisville, Henry, Galavant's Ferry, Warsaw, and Hannah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in South Carolina: